So parehas lamang po siya ng ating nakuha dito. Hi guys, let us now have an example of division of polynomials. So sa division of polynomials po, meron tayong dalawang method. Ang first is long division, and the other one is synthetic. So gawin po natin parehas ngayon. Now, in long division po, ang ginagawa po natin dito is divide, then multiply, and subtract. Then if necessary, we bring down. Now, in synthetic naman po, ang ginagawa naman po natin dito is we bring down. Ito po yung kauna-unahan, para hindi na natin maulit yung bring down. Then we multiply and add. And repeat kung necessary yung process. Okay. So, doon na tayo long division method. Kailangan po natin i-rearrange muna sa ating dividend at sa ating divisor in decreasing order of power. So, saan po natin makikita in decreasing order of power? Doon po sa kanilang exponent. So i-rewrite natin siya in decreasing order of power. So, pinakamataas pong exponent nasa sa leftmost, tapos ang ating pong last term is our constant term. So, kung mapapasimplahan dito, may pinakamataas pong exponent is si 2x cube. So, siya po muna yung ating una. So, that's 2x cube. Tapos, ano pong k 2x cube na may pinakamataas na exponent, that is 9x. So, positive po siya. So, that is plus 9x squared. Then, nasunod po, yung pong ating 3x plus 3x. Then, our constant term, which is negative 4 or subtract 4 or negative 4. Then, i-divide po natin siya. Tingnan din po natin ang ating divisor kung siya po ba ay nasa sa decreasing order of power. So, tama na naman po siya. X, yung ating pong may variable and our constant term. So, susulat lamang natin siya dito. X plus 4. Ayan. So, puntahan natin yung ating ginawa. First daw po, we divide first term by the first term. Lagi pong ganyan ang division, first term by the first term. So, 2x divided by x. So, parang ganito lang po siya. 2x cubed divided by x. So, 2 divided by 1, that is 2. X po, minus lamang po yung kanyang exponent. So, 3, tapos ang exponent po nito is 1. 3 minus 1, that is x squared. So, sagot po diyan is 2x squared. Then, we multiply. Yung pong atin pong quotient ay atin pong i-multiply doon sa lahat ng terms sa ating divisor. So, si 2x times x, that is 2x cubed. Then, 2x squared times 4x, that is 8x squared. So, that is positive. Now, ang gagawin po natin, isusubtract daw po. Subtract. Let us now subtract. So, kung nalilito po dito, ang gawin nyo po, I suggest, ipaghiwalayin ninyo. Katulad po nito, 2x cubed minus 2x cubed. Diba? Any number subtracted by itself, the answer is 0. So, cancelled na lamang po ito. The next one, ito naman po, sulat natin, 9x squared minus positive 8x squared. So, nangyayari po dyan, parehas naman po sila. So, minaminus lamang po. That is x squared. 9 minus 8, that is 1. No need to write 1. So, sagot po diyan is x squared. Then, solve daw po dun after natin mag-minus. Bring down. Bring down po yung sunod na term, which is positive 3x. Then, we go back. Doon ulit tayo sa division. Division, first term lang ulit with the first term. Lagi po pa kayo divide first term sa first term. X squared divided by x. So, katulad po naman natin kanina, x squared over x. So, copy lamang po yung x as 2 minus 1, 1. No need to write 1. So, the answer is x, positive x. Ito naman tayo sa sunod. Multiplication. Yung ating quotient na x, i-multiply natin sa lahat ng terms in our divisor. So, x times x, that is x squared. X times positive 4, that is positive 4x. Tapos, isusubtract daw po ulit natin, just like in the process. So, x squared minus x squared, so that is 0. Cancel lang. Tapos, 3x minus 4x. So, pagka po pareho ng symbol, ating maminus tayo, minaminus po talaga natin siyang literal. So, 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1x. Mas malaki lamang po yung ating i-minus. The reason why, it should be negative x. Then, sa tayong process, bring down, negative 4. So, that is, balik tayo sa process, division. Negative x divided by x. So, negative x divided by x. So, cancel lamang po siya. Ang malitira po ay 1. So, that is negative 1 over 1. Negative 1 over 1. So, that is negative 1. Punta tayo sa sunod natin process. Multiplication naman na po. Negative 1 times sa lahat ng nasa divisor. That would be negative 1 times x. That is negative x. Negative 1 times positive 4. That is negative 4. Tapos, i-minus daw po natin. O, tingnan mo natin. Para hindi po tayo nalilito. negative times negative, magiging positive po siya. Negative times negative, magiging positive din po siya. Negative x plus x, so cancel lamang po yun. Negative 4 plus 4, cancel din lamang po yun. So, that is 0. Wala na po tayong i-bring down. So, this is our final answer. 2x squared plus x minus 1. Punta naman tayo kay synthetic division. Same goes with synthetic division. With synthetic division, kailangan muna natin siyang i-rewrite in decreasing order of powers. That would be 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 3x minus 4. Yan. Nire-write lang naman natin yung ating dividend in decreasing order of power. Yung ating mga divisor, ang gagawin po natin diyan is to equate 0. So, paano po natin in-equate ang 0? I-equal lamang po natin sa 0 sa ating divisor. So, that would be x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then, transpose, that would be x is equal to negative 4. Siya po yung ating gagamitin. So, dito po natin siya ilalagay, negative 4. Then, masunod naman po natin gagawin is to write down the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient ng ating dividend. So, numerical coefficient is 2. Kahanay lang. Next is 9. Ang next ay 3. And the last one is negative 4. So, ang gawin na po daw natin sa una is bring down. Bring down po natin yung una nating na number, that is 2. After bringing down, siya po, yung bring down po, isang beses lamang natin siya gagawin. Doon lamang po sa first term. Tapos ang sunod na po natin, magpapabalik lamang tayo kay times plus repeat, times plus repeat, times plus repeat. So, punta tayo sa multiplication. 2, yung po ating bringing down, i-multiply natin doon sa ating equate 0, which is negative 4. 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8. Then we add, sabi daw po dito, add. So that's 9 plus negative 8, magkaiba ng symbol, so minaminus po natin siya. That is positive 1, kasi po mas malaki yung positive. Then next, 1, repeat tayo sa multiplication, 1 times negative 4, that is negative 4. Then we add, 3 plus negative 4, magkaiba ulit ng symbol, so pinagmaminus natin siya. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Mas malaki po is negative, kaya po siya ay negative 1. So i-multiply naman po ulit natin, repeat daw po, negative 1 times negative 4, that is positive 4. Then we add negative 4 plus 4, magkaiba ulit ng symbol, so pinagsusipak natin, 4 minus 4, that is 0. In this case, ang gagawin lang po natin, so, ilagay lamang natin ng variable itong ating nakuhang mga numerical coefficient. So, sir, paano natin makukuha? I-base natin siya kay our dividend. So, tignan natin, alin po yung highest exponent sa ating dividend? That is cube. So, ang gagawin lamang natin, babawasan natin ng isang exponent. So, that is 2. Siya po ilalagay natin doon sa ating first term. So, that is x squared. Kasi nga po, 3 minus 1, that is 2. The next one, yung sunod po natin, that is positive 1. So, plus po ang kanyang operation. Then, dapat po decreasing order of power din ito. Ang sunod po sa x squared, that is x, then our constant term and our remainder. So, wala po tayong remainder because 0 ang atin pong last na number. So, remember that our last number will always be the remainder. So, i-rewrite lamang po natin to since yung atin pong 1x, 1 ay hindi na po natin kailangan ilagay. So, that is equal to, i-rewrite ko lang, 2x squared plus x minus 1. So, parehas lamang po siya ng ating nakuha dito. So, kayo na po ang mamili kung alin po mas madali kay long division method ba or kay synthetic division. I hope that helps.